What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you guys are well. Took a little day off yesterday, got my hair cut, a little beard trim, went sightseeing. I always get those commenters if I take a day off. Jax, Polygon update, bro. What the hell are you doing? Well, we talked about the bullish divergence, we talked about the relief bounce, we talked about the levels of resistance, and it played out to a T here. But we'll do a little update. We're sitting at $1.48. We're up about 4.36% on the day. We are sitting at a market cap of 9.58 billion. 24-hour volume is 872 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop straight into Matic on the 1 hour chart. We had our bullish divergence. I said, guys, keep an eye out for a relief bounce. Here's your levels of resistance, and he came up and he hit $1.52. Now we did come back above the golden ratio, which is a good sign, guys. However, if we fail to break above $1.52 and we fail to break this resistance, the previous swing high, $1.55, it can just be a relief bounce where we continue to see a little bit of rollover. If I jump over into the 4-hour time frame, so you can see here on the 4-hour time frame, we are back above the EMAs, and currently holding them at support would be crucial if the bulls are going to step in here to hold the support of the EMAs, come up and break this high at $1.55. So let's hop over to the daily time frame. So you can see here we're still underneath the golden ratio at about $1.54. Could move this up a little bit, about $1.55. So if you continue to see us hit resistance here, we do have that bearish divergence. I'm still have a little bit more bias to the downside that we are going to see a further correction due to this bearish divergence, as well as some other factors that I'm going to talk about here. So if we fail to break above $1.55 and break this high and we hit resistance on the golden ratio, that's when you can see that rollover where we can come back down to about $1.29. We did beautifully bounce here off the 20 EMA as we have before. Matic is still very, very strong, but what may happen here is we create a right shoulder. We create a bit of a head and shoulder. So here's your left shoulder, guys. Here would be your head. And if your right shoulder forms, we can drop in our neckline right around here. So if we come down and we break this neckline, then your breakdown target would bring you down, whoa, all the way down to about 99 cents. Now, in many cases with the bearish scenarios, you're not going to reach your technical target because we're in a very powerful uptrend. We could definitely find support here at $1.29 and see that bounce. All right, guys. So let's jump over into Ethereum. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. We had our bullish divergence here, and you can see we bounced, and we even invalidated this head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder was invalidated. We came up and hit the resistance that we dropped in our last video, 3274. We are back above the EMAs here. You can see the volume is extremely low, so do keep an eye on that, guys. It is the weekend, and you know the weekends can be a little bit dumpy here, but we might just consolidate and trade sideways till Monday or see a little bit of sell-off here. We are holding the EMAs. If we jump over into the 4-hour time frame, you can see here on the 4-hour, we're back above the EMAs as well, and we're having the bullish cross, but the volume is quite shady here in my opinion, as well as if I take my Fibonacci out here and we go swing high, swing low, we're going to go right here, swing high, swing low. You can see we're currently underneath the golden ratio, the 0.618. So if we fail to get back above that, the bulls can't push up the price and we hit resistance. That's when you can see that continuation and continue to see that roll over here. Look how low the volume is, guys. The bulls would have to step in and break back above the golden ratio, and then that will give you more confirmation that you're going to head up towards our high here at about 3384. But even if we head up to that price target, what can happen is we create a triple top. You have one top, you have two tops, you have three tops. We roll over, we break the neckline, and we head down to 2602. I really don't think our bearish divergence for Ethereum here has played out. You can see we've been kind of trading sideways, but look at the RSI, guys. It's been descending swiftly, so that can definitely point to further correction here. I want to show you guys some other statistics here. So if we come over to ViewBase, you can head over to viewbase.com, and we look at long versus short positions. So this is Bitfinex margin total long and short positions. If we look at Bitcoin, look at this, guys, BTC USDT, the short position increase over the last 24 hours has gone up 586%. 586% increase in the last 24 hours alone of short positions for Bitcoin against USDT. So that's your margin traders, that's your future traders, guys. If we come over here and we look at the whale positions, all of our altcoins are still still under 50% for long positions. All the whales are under 50% in the alts. XRP 43%, ADA 45%. They're still all under 50%. So that can signify to us that we're due for a larger correction here. Bitcoin is still sitting at 53% on Binance, but if we look here at this exchange, it's called Huobi. That dropped under 50% as well. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 47.9%. Positions are long. So I still think a lot of whales are looking to short the market here. So we'll finish off the video with Matic here. So keep an eye on this head and shoulders. If you see that right shoulder form and we break this neckline, I'll drop it in for you guys. At about $1.36, could be a good short opportunity as it brings us down here all the way down to about 99 cents. But of course, our technical target often won't be hit on a strong bullish uptrend. All right, guys. And if we're going to invalidate it, we need to come up and break $1.55, the golden ratio, and come up and break this previous high here at about $1.69, and that would give us more confirmation like, okay, we're gonna head up to the 0.786. But we have to keep an eye on this bearish divergence. We have to keep an eye on the low volume, keep an eye on the whale positions. The huge increase in short positions over the last 24 hours, almost 600%, guys. So if Matic fails to break these levels of resistance, your levels of support here are $1.41. We have $1.38 as well. See the structural support in this area, and then we have $1.29. All right, guys. So for Matic to remain bullish here, we need to come up and break $1.55 and head back up towards our high at about $1.70. All right, guys. So that's it for this one, guys. Just keep an eye on this bearish divergence here on the daily. If you do see us come down and break $1.36, then that's when that bearish scenario can play out. All right, guys. And keep an eye on $1.53 as well as $1.69, which is our previous high. But it is the weekend, so there's low volume. So I think we'll either consolidate or sell off a little bit, and then we'll really decide what we're going to do going into next week. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. Smash that like button. Sign up to Bybit, up to $1,600 in bonuses. Follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.